What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. Yeah, we got the M5 right there. Obviously BMW killing the performance game. But when we're talking luxury, it's always nice to bring up a Mercedes AMG. Now this one, before we even get to the video, I'm gonna just say I like the X6M better than this car, okay? So relax. But I know there are some AMG followers and subscribers, so today we're just gonna pretty much put the gas pedal to the floor and just really hear the AMG motor. This is the GLE 63s, so it does have all the pops and bangs that you really like. So let's go check it out. Look at this big ass Mercedes truck, man. GLE 63s AMG, so let's get it. What's the YouTube channel, my man?
YouTube channel is David Wren TV. First video has gone up. We'll be putting up a couple more within these next couple weeks, so stay tuned. So heavy on the AMG content. Still a Beamer driver though, so don't get that twisted, you feel me? So, but we do got a lot of AMG content coming.
Cool. We're just about to get some exhaust footage, some flybys for his channel. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of this car. He's going to be doing a review and stuff on it. Ooh, the ambient lighting though. That's tight.
Yeah, it's nice. Right under the carbon fiber.
Yeah. Man. That's a big ass truck off that though.
It is. It's huge.
Feels nice to ride in though. Ooh, the downshift. Okay.
Exhaust is nice.
Yeah, it's like real foggy out. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like the steering wheel on these cars. You know what I mean? Make a couple passes.
Yeah, we do that.
Let's hear our song. This thing looks pretty good. I like the X6 look better, don't get me wrong. I'm going for it. That's crazy. We're gonna hear some more. It's kind of loud over here. We gotta do this pretty quick, given the time of day. We don't have all day with the car. Kind of looks cool. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's pretty foggy out here, so it's kind of like a cool little piece of lighting. Let me know which one you guys would take, the X6M or the GLE 63s. I think they call it the coupe version, so yeah, let me know which one you guys would take. I think that thing sounds really nice. It's the same as Jason's GLE, just different body. Oh man,
That thing sounds.
Dude, that sounds insane, bro. What the hell? It doesn't look bad either. Like,
yeah, I like it. Oh yeah. Did the full review, so this will be the last little clips.
oh, you're not gonna do it quick. That is tight, man. Woo.
That thing is Nice sounding, man.
I low-key could see Kev whipping this, bro.
I swear I could.
It's just like, to me, is this a brand new car?
Yeah. It's brand new.
Like, to me, this looks dated as hell.
Yeah, it does. Like the old Benzes.
Yeah. That is such a nice SUV. So yeah, it's just a quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well. If you guys want to see more content like this, man, just a quick little exhaust video. You know, you gotta treat the ears every now and then. You know what I'm saying? To that V8. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.